Stop email threads and use Google Comments instead. Are you tired of the endless email chains about your team projects? Who said what? Where's that file? Did anyone even read my feedback? Stop the chaos. I'm about to show you how to ditch the email chaos and collaborate like a pro right inside your Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides by using the comments feature. Imagine all your project discussions right where they belong, in the file itself. No more searching through endless email threads, crystal clear feedback with comments linked to specific sections, and resolve issues and keep your projects moving forward. Drop a comment below and tell me what's your biggest frustration with collaborating in Google Docs or Sheets. By using comments in Google Docs, Sheets, and Slides, everyone's ideas about the specific file, section, project, or data stays with that part of the file and is immediately obvious as to what they are referring to. The most important step to commenting is selecting the text you want to comment on first and then adding your comment. In addition, other people can reply to a specific comment so that each reply is like a mini conversation surrounding that one sentence or piece of data. By using comments and replies, these conversations are kept out of your email inbox and make much more sense within the context of the file itself. Lastly, once the comments in the thread have been resolved, you can check resolved in the comment thread, and those comments will disappear from view, but will stay in the history as part of the file itself. So you could refer to it later if needed. If you choose, you can be notified via email when comments are added to the files. If you choose to be notified by email, the email actually contains the link directly to the file as well as the comment in question, so that you can actually review the comment or the file, reply, and resolve the issue immediately from within your email. This eliminates searching through your drive for the file in question and eliminates scrolling through the file to find the content that the comment is referring to. This rolls it all into one nice, neat little package. If you are tired of comparing files with your email threads of suggestions of things to update, then get out of the dark ages when emailing was the best method of communication and stay up to date with the times by using comments to keep your ideas within the content you're referring to and make it easier on yourself and your collaborators. If you are ready to take back control of your inbox and your sanity, hit that subscribe button for more Google productivity tips. And if you're really serious about streamlining your workflow, check out my Google class outlines and register for a class today. Let's conquer the chaos together.